You have talked about the difference between intelligence and wisdom. Jason Clark. You have talked about the difference between intelligence and wisdom, saying intelligence isn't a shortcut to wisdom. Well, let's point something else out, man. Stupidity isn't a shortcut to wisdom either. What is your definition of wisdom? Well, there's the Old Testament view. That's the fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. That's a good one. I think wisdom is in part the willingness to come to terms, the knowledge of your own capacity for malevolence. That's wisdom. The desire to rectify that. The wish to set the world on a pathway that leads it closer to heaven and farther away from hell. That's wisdom. The humility to know that there's more things that you don't know than that you know, and that you should be open to what you don't know when people inform you of it, because it's better to learn than it is to walk nose first into a wall or blindfolded off a cliff. The knowledge that you don't have the right to be a judge of being without having given it your utmost. That's wisdom. Wisdom, what else? The knowledge, wisdom is also the knowledge that hell is real enough so that you should do everything you can to avoid either inhabiting it or producing it. That's what I learned from psychological analysis of the history of the 20th century. Hell's real enough. And you're duty bound, let's say, you're honor bound, you're ethically bound to do the opposite of whatever produces those hellish circumstances.